guys, and welcome to another stuff unboxing and first hands-on video. Today's video is sponsored by MSI, and they've actually sent us this box, this rather laptop sized box. So let's see what they've got for us. Okay, the Crosshair 15 Rainbow 6 Extraction Edition. That's rather heavy actually. For those of you who aren't familiar, Rainbow 6 Extraction launched recently, and we've actually got a review in the works, so keep an eye on the site for that. But today we've got a laptop. I'm assuming it's a laptop. Let's see what we get here. So we get the usual literature. Cool. This is probably the power pack. Nice cable. Power brick, 240 watts. That's not bad. It's rather decent. And a wireless mouse. That's cool. Looks like it's Rainbow 6 Extraction themed as well. The yellow accents. Side buttons. That feels alright. We'll have a look at that now. And then the main attraction. Oh, and a mouse pad. Let's get that out of the way. That's the mouse pad. That's not a bad mouse pad. It's a little bit small, but you know, it's free. And then we have the laptop. A lot of packaging. I hope some of this is recycled. Okay, already fingerprints. That's not good. So it looks like about a 15-inch, you know, the standard laptop size. Let's see what it looks like underneath. Okay, that gradient looks rather nice actually. Okay, if you are familiar with Rainbow 6, you'll notice some familiar accents here, just like little tie-ins to the game, I guess. And this is, of course, one of Intel's newest 12th gen Core i7s, and, well, we're hoping Nvidia's new RTX 3080 Ti, perhaps. For the laptop itself, on the right side, we've got your HDMI, USB-C, which I believe is also charging. No charging, just USB-C, USB-A 3.2, and a combined audio jack. On the left, we've got some more USBs, and of course, a vent, the all-important vent for the gaming laptops. And on the back, you see those copper pipes ready to dissipate all the heat that RTX chip is undoubtedly going to put out. Okay, but that's the MSI Crosshair 15 Rainbow 6 Extraction Edition. Not a bad looking machine, if I do say so myself.